How do we say could in French? Watch till the end, and please give us a like and comment for any question that you may have. There are 3 ways to express could in French. Let's start with the first case. When could refers to a single, unique action in the past, the passé composé of pouvoir is used. Note the following examples. J'ai pu la convaincre. Il a pu augmenter ses ventes. Here's the second case. When could refers to a description or a habitual action, the imparfait of pouvoir is used. It goes like this. Je pouvais, tu pouvais, il ou elle pouvait, nous pouvions, vous pouviez, il pouvait. Remember that this case is used when the action was repeated in the past. For example, je pouvais sortir avec mon chien. Another example. En ce temps-là, les femmes ne pouvaient pas voter. Now let's see the last case. When could refers to an idea of the future, a hypothesis, a suggestion, or a request, the présent conditionnel. Let's see an example. Pourrais-tu me prêter le livre dont tu m'as parlé? To know the full conjugation of the verb pouvoir, type conjugate in the comment, and stay tuned for more update.